Number 8 down here. It says k squared is equal to 0. Alright, I'm going to square root both sides like I know I need to do. And let's see if we can do a factor tree for 0. What two numbers multiply to give me 0?
Just 0. 0 times 10.
0 times, you said 0 times what?
10.
Times 10. We could do that, but we're looking for a pair, right? So I know I got 0 times 0. So the square root of k squared just simplifies to k. In here I've got a pair of zeros, right, that I can bring out. What gets left behind? Nothing. So my answer, plus or minus 0. Is that right?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
Why is this not right? Anyone have any idea as to why this is not my correct answer?
Because 0 doesn't need plus or minus.
Right, Roscoe, because why? Same thing, right? Why can't I put a plus or minus in front of 0?
Because a 0 cannot be a decimal.
That's right.
Like it's neutral.
What were you going to say, Roscoe? It's in the middle, exactly. And like Tariq was saying, it can be positive or negative. So that is not my answer. My answer is k is equal to 0. Just 0. No plus or minus. Go ahead, Dylan. Just 0. No plus or minus on the 0. All right? Give me a thumbs up. That's what you got for number 8. 0. Pretty straightforward, right? Kind of like 1. Now, number 12, a little bit different. X squared equals 30. You look at 30 and you go, oh, I know what numbers multiply to give me 30. I could do 3 times 10. I could do 6 times 5. How can I split up the 6? 3 times 2. So I got 3, 2, 5. What pairs can I circle up inside that square root? None. There are no pairs. So if I can't bring anything out of the square root, what do I do with these 3 remaining numbers? I just multiply them back together. Well, I just found out that that's 30. So my answer is just x equals the square root of 30. Do I need a plus or minus in front of this one?
No.
No, because I didn't what? I didn't take anything out. I do not need a plus or minus sign. X is equal to square root of 30. So some of these answers are going to be a little bit weird, a little bit different, but that's fine. Like number 18. Number 18, very similar to number 12. Except, can I split up 17 at all? No. I mean, 1 times 17 doesn't really count, right? So if I square root both sides, the square root and the exponent go away, and I'm left with square root of 17. Once again, no plus or minus sign needed because there's nothing to bring out. I don't even need to do a factor tree because 17 is a what type of number? Prime number. Good job. Great. Any questions? Any other questions on 77? Beautiful.